Namaste, Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back to my channel Style Ki Sadhna. So if you are a lipstick lover, then this video is surely for you. Because we women do any other makeup or not. I don't know what has happened to my hair today. Leave it. We women, whether we do full on, bang on makeup or not, but all of us love to wear lipstick. Everyone has their own color choices, texture choices in lipstick, but all of us, all of the women, we love to wear lipsticks. But does our lipstick stay long on our lips? Are they smudge proof? Are they kiss proof? Are they, do they stay there on your lips for quite a bit of time at least? No, that's not always happening. Because when we buy, some lipsticks that are long lasting, that surely are, when their formula is long lasting, but we feel like they are a bit drying, sometimes over drying to our lips, and thus we avoid those formula, and we some women like creamy textures or semi matte textures in lipsticks, and those formulas are not long lasting at all, चाहे आप कितनी भी महंगी लिपस्टिक खरीद लो. That is the thing. So I have come up with the video in which you can make any texture lipstick long lasting, smudge proof, and it will be there for at least 6 to 8 hours without any touch up. That's a guarantee. So try these steps out for sure. Let me know in the comment section below that they work for you. They will surely work for you.
So the first thing that we need to do is prep our lips before applying the lipstick. So for that you can use any lip balm and apply it all over your lips, and then use a toothbrush to scrub off the dead skin and flakiness of your lips. So this will make your lips very soft and supple, and hence it will help in making your lipstick long lasting. Instead of a lip balm, you can also use a sugar or coconut oil scrub, and you can also use even a toothpaste over your lips to make them soft and supple, but use very light hands to scrub off the dead skin and the flakiness. Now using a tissue, you remove the excess lip balm or petroleum jelly you have applied. That will help in. So for step number 2, what I'll be doing is, ignore my expressions please. So what I'll be doing is, I'll be using a concealer on my lips, and it will help for those people especially who have pigmented lips and you are not able to get the prominent lip color, and it will also help in making your lipstick long lasting. So apply very light-handedly, dab it over your lips and remove the extra with the help of the tissue, and tada, your lips are ready. So for the step number 3, the very important step is, you always need to use a lip liner before applying a lipstick. This is very important because it creates a base for your lipstick and also an outline for your lipstick, so that you can mark your lipstick properly. So the first thing that you need to do is mark a cross at your cupid's bow, and then apply the outline at the other parts of the lips, and at the center of the lower lip also mark a line. Apply the lip liner then all over your lips, and now after that it's lipstick time. So I'm using a bright red color. As I've prepared my lips properly and I have outlined the lips properly with the help of the lip liner, so I'm able to apply the lipstick very easily. And if any extra product gets out of your lips, then correct it with the help of a tissue. Now for the step 4, what we are going to do is, we are going to put a tissue between our lips, and it will help in removing the extra lipstick, and then again apply another coat of lipstick, and again put the tissue between the lips, and do this process. This will also help in mattifying your lipstick. Now I don't know why am I dancing. God only knows that. For step number 5, take a talcum powder, a blush, or even any loose powder. Put the tissue over your lips and apply that powder with the help of the brush. This helps in so much making your lipstick long lasting, and at the end pass a finger across your lips so that there's no teeth stain.
Please subscribe to my channel, please like and share the video, and I'll see you soon in my another video. Bye bye, take care, love you all.